Campus Apartments has 37 properties. We're in over 18 states, and we service over 50 plus colleges and universities. I'm Michael Lewis. I have been with Campus Apartments for over 10 years now, and I am the Director of Facilities and Engineering. When the COVID started, we had a lot of decisions to make to keep our staff safe and as well keep our residents safer, most importantly. What we ran into is the maintenance people who are normally hands-on. We thought about what can they do while sitting at home when they typically have tools in their hand, they're cleaning, they're fixing things, they're moving around. Now they're sitting at home. At the time, Interplay, we were just now getting involved with it, and it was like a light bulb came on, and I was like, okay, well, here's our opportunity. We can actually provide our guys some training while at home. It was just a great opportunity to allow our guys to continue to be paid as well as learn while at home, and so they can boost their skills, help with their development, so to say. So on the fly, we had to take information that SkillMill provided and be able to use that to track how well our employees were doing in the platform. The way SkillMill was set up, it was easy to do, and we were able to have that transparency for our general managers and our regional managers to keep track of what our employees were doing while at home. Some of the outcomes that we have seen from our employees using the SkillMill platform has been less callbacks, greater participation in the training program, because now we can visibly see that employees are participating. Also, it helps us to keep up our excellence in craftsmanship and workmanship that we try to make sure that we provide to our tenants. And so it's allowed our maintenance staff to be able to provide a greater service